Another quick how-to DIY. We were driving our car. I tried to clean my windows and the thing somehow got moved. The little squirty nozzles moved. Windshield wiper nozzle adjustment. You're gonna need a safety pin. This is a small safety pin, if it focuses on that. You don't want a big one, you want a small one because the hole that you stick it in is really tiny. Now, we're physically adjusting these, they're squirting fine. If you need to clean them out, you want something maybe even smaller if you can and just kind of poke it to get those particulates out. But if not, just use one like this. We're gonna test it first, see where they're aimed, and we're gonna move them to the middle of the window. So let's see where they squirt first. All over the place. So this little guy was squirting way over there. This first one was just squirting straight up. And this guy, he's barely in the game. So let's adjust this one. So if you bring the camera around here, if you can, see the little hole right there? Can you zoom in on that? Are you getting it? So I need to put this in there and turn it back. It's gonna take a few tries to get it optimal to where you want. This guy, right in a hole, we're gonna move him. See how you just put it in a hole? We're gonna move him over just a little bit. And I just had it in there. You can insert all your own jokes that you want. Okay. This one actually can see from that angle. There we go. All right, we're gonna push this one down just a little bit. Now, to be honest, if you're watching, you already got all the info you need. I hate when I have to watch a video for 10 minutes just to get the answer. You see what I'm doing, you'll figure it out. Can take a couple of tries to get it exactly where you want, but if you already like the tip, hit like. If you want to stick around to see how we keep adjusting, you're more than welcome to. That little guy is just going down. The second guy needs to go up. This guy, these need to go up a lot more, huh? Mm-hmm. So, need to go up. So, they're adjusted. I'm running out of juice. Probably should have juiced up before I started the video. But they're all hitting kind of in the right area that I want, just with a little adjustment. And remember, if there's any clogs, you might even want to start with just straight water and keep kind of poking it till that clog comes out before you put in the more expensive foamy, juicy, vinegary, degreaser stuff. So that's it. How to fix your windows really quick. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you something you want to, that you can't find the perfect video, because they're almost already all out there, throw it down in the comments. I'm happy to do a video for you. Thanks, see you next time.